Good day everyone, my name is Reya Angel A. Mariscal and now I will be sharing to you the science and technology inventions and discoveries. Now I will be sharing to you my chosen inventions. First, the Anchor 3D printer invented by Stephen Young, and it is designed to improve the user experience by reducing printing time up to 70%. And 3D printers help us imagine a world where ideas and creative concepts can be instantly transformed into physical form. And the field in science industry it is used is in aerospace, medical devices, and dentistry, mechanical engineering, automotive, and tool making. And as we can observe, in this area, the tools and materials are quite heavy and difficult to make. And the benefits and advantages using this invention is first, reducing costs, second, less waste, third, reduce time, fourth, reduce errors, fifth, reduce production and demand, and last, the preserving. First, reducing costs because it is not needed anymore a long time process because in 3D printing you can easily have a copy using the machine. And second, the last waste. Yes, as what I have said earlier, it is not needed a long time process because in 3D printing, you don't need to have a lot of materials anymore to copy another tool if you need it a lot. And third, the reduced time. Since 3D printing, this is designed to make the job easier and faster. And in talking and production and demand since a lot of company would like to have this because of the quality and service that this machine being offered. And the last, preserving. If I will become a linguist someday, this tool can help me produce the language use that we are having right now, especially the speech and writing styles, because we are all aware that language is evolving from time to time, just like technologies. But still, we should be keeping this what we have right now to avoid language decay and for the next generation would be uh, would be know and be aware or be knowledgeable about the language and writing styles that we have right now.
So let's watch a video here to this invention.
This is the AnkerMake M5 3D printer. Can print 5 times faster than a standard 3D printer, still with precise details, built-in AI camera for monitoring your prints, even creating time-lapse videos, can connect to multiple devices such as iPhone or PC, ideal for 3D printing at home.
Next invention is the bionic robofish invented by Wang Yuyan. Design a tiny robofish that is programmed to remove microplastics from seas and oceans by swimming around and absorbing them on its soft, flexible, and self-healing body. And field in science industry it is used is in healthcare and environmental field. The benefits and advantages of this invention is first, environmental protection, second, underwater exploration, and third, protecting underwater species. I like this rubble fish since we have a lot of kind of fish in our house. So I chose this invention also because I care for the environment and the underwater species. And as what I can observe right now, a lot of underwater species is already endangered because of the microplastics that the humans made. Caring for environment is caring for the people in the culture, especially the animals. This technology also can help exploration underwater for the people or scientists to have an access in the access of the situation underwater.
So let's watch a video here about this invention.
There's a new robotic fish, and it eats microplastics. Microplastics are everywhere around us now as a result of our plastic consumption, and it's impacting marine life and whole ecosystems. That's where inventions like the RoboFish, which collects and stores microplastics in its mechanical body, has excited many. But the real problem of our overconsumption of plastic and proper disposal still hasn't been addressed. In fact, plastic production has actually increased despite consumers demanding more plastic-free options. And most of it isn't going to recycling either. In fact, a new report from Greenpeace found that out of the 51 million tons of plastic waste generated in the US in 2021, only 5% was recycled. The rest of the plastic waste then ends up in landfills or worse, in water systems and soils where it breaks down into microplastics. While these innovations like RoboFish do offer hope, they're a band-aid solution to the real problem. We're addicted to plastic. So what do you think? Is it possible to create a plastic-free future?
And that's all. And thank you for listening. And I hope you learned something.